Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Andy Rompel and I'm the president of Great Quest. Today I would like to give you an introduction into our Belmont targets, which are in Namibia, as you may know. Belmont is part of our larger Korigas property, one of our 3 large areas in Namibia, and Belmont is aiming for shear zone gold mainly in the northern part of Korigas, which is part of the Damara belt. For our Canadian listeners or viewers, this is very similar to the Abitibi, where we also pursue shear zone gold, and we're pursuing large shear zones and splays coming off it, quartz veins, nuggety gold deposits. It's very similar but younger, 600 million years old in our case. We have recently completed a mag survey. We used a drone to fly the mag, which was about 1,543 line kilometers, or covering an area of 35 square kilometers, and that is about 6,800 hectares. That, together with feedback from the rock chip sampling, the soil sampling and the calcrete sampling, I will present to you now. Let me first report back on the assay lab results, and this is for 2,139 calcrete samples, 376 soil samples and 22 rock chip samples that have been received, with the highest rock chip sample assaying 12.45 grams a ton gold. This is pretty high for a rock chip sample, and the highest soil sample came back with 611 parts per billion gold, and we subsequently defined 18 different targets, and you can see the map with the different sampling results, and subsequently you see a map with the resulting targets. Some of these targets may look familiar to you, like BK1, BK2, VG Hill. We have reported previously on those, and if you look at the map, you will see that BK1 is a large area with huge anomalies, which is definitely one of the priority targets, just as well as BK2, where we recently drilled, and with really good intersections, and we think we are on strike of a shear zone, and we have the en echelon veins coming off the main shear. On top of that, we've got VG Hill, visible gold hill, as it is known, because it has a lot of visible gold on the outcropping quartz veins. Last but not least, we look at the map with the mag image, and it's the first vertical derivative in our case, which was very useful. As you know, when you look for structures, structural geology, a mag survey is imperative. And again, our mag survey here shows that our targets fall within structural zones, which is pretty obvious, no surprise, and the 2 thrusts are very clearly defined by the mag, and in between those 2 thrusts we've got our shear zones, which are of importance. So in the next year, early next year, we intend to go out and drill more. Now that we've done the sampling, we got the good results, we've defined our targets, and if you would like to read up more, please go to our website, where you find the latest press release and a definition of all the targets in the Belmont area. Thank you very much.